In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery in your car's remote or your car's key fob. Now, all of these run on different little button cell batteries, and if you're lucky, on the back of your key fob, it'll tell you what kind of battery it takes. If it doesn't, you might have to pop it open or look it up online. But this is a very, very simple thing that you can do in just a few minutes at home. Save yourself a few bucks. Now, the key fob we're going to be working with today is this one, but getting into these is different on every key fob, but also kind of the same. So let's get these out of the way. Now this one here has a little extra key. This is a keyless car, but it has a little key. And what's convenient here is the end of the key. There's a little slot right here. You put it in there, give it a little turn, and it's open. And you've got your battery. Now every key is a little bit different. Here on my Chevy, you insert a blade in there, twist it, and pop. On my motorcycle, there's those two little slots right there. You put a screwdriver in there and pop it. I have other ones where it actually has screws in the back, but they all come apart pretty simply. So we have our almost dead battery here and our replacement battery here. All you've got to do is come in here and pop the battery out. Now typically with these, this is the positive side. There's a little plus there and there's a little plus there. Typically with these, the plus is going to be pointed up, but take note of what direction these are, and then you can pop your battery out. The new battery just slides and presses right back in place. Now when you put your key fob back together, most of them have some sort of a little seal or a gasket. Make sure that you haven't got any debris on there because these are waterproof. And if you do want to take the time, if you have a little bit of silicone oil, you can put a little bit of silicone oil around there to keep that thing nice and supple and not dried out. Now all you got to do is take this sucker, put it back together, click it, and you just saved yourself a bunch of time and money by switching out your battery yourself. I hope this quick little video helped you out. If it did, give it a great big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if there's other automotive tips and tricks you'd like to see on the channel. Hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks just like this. It'll save you money at home. And of course, thanks for watching.